Hello students, how are you all? Are you fine? Okay, see our division lesson is going on. Already we solved these two worksheets. Now today we will see this worksheet. See here 3-digit division is here. Okay, now see, first we will see these examples. It is very easy. Now see here students, 27 divided by 3. Okay, then you just say the multiplication table of 3 till we reach 27. Okay, then say 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24 and 3 9s are, see 3 9s are 27. See, you just write 27 below this dividend. Okay, and do subtraction. 7 minus 7 0, 2 minus 2 0. Now quotient is, see, quotient is 9. See, this is the divisor, 3 is the divisor, 27 is the dividend and 9 is the quotient, means answer. Okay, understood? Now these 4 examples you just solve this. Now we will see this example. Okay, see, 268 divided by 2. See students, 268 divided by 2. Okay, then see, 2 is the divisor, 268 is the dividend, and we will see the quotient and remainder. Okay, then see, first you just see here, see dividend is here 3 digit. Now you just see the first number. Okay, first number is 2. Now see, 2 के टेबल में 2 आता है, so you just take 1 digit only. 2 1s are 2. Okay, 2 minus 2 0. Now see, bring down 6. Now see students, now 68 remain. Again you just bring down only one number 6. Okay, then see, 6 is there in table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now 2 3s are 6. Okay, now 6 minus 6 0. Now see, 8 remain. Now bring down 8. Okay, now see, 8 is there in table of 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Okay, 8 minus 8 0. Understood? Now you just write here quotient. See, quotient QUOTIENT, quotient. See, quotient means answer. Okay, 134 is our answer. And see, this is the remainder. REMINDER, remainder. Okay, say REMINDER. Reminder 0. Okay, see, A is there. Understood? Now next example, see, 467 divided by, see, 467 divided by 6. See here students, see, this is the divisor and this is called dividend. Now see, dividend first 4 number is there and 4 is the smaller number. See, compared to this divisor. See, divisor से 4 number क्या है, कम है. Okay, तो हम क्या करेंगे, we will take 2 digit. What? We will take 2 digit because 4 is the smaller number and 4 is not there in table of 6. So we will take 2 digit. Now 46. Then first you just write down here table of 6. See, first you write down this table of 6. Now you just see 46 is there in table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54 and 6 10s are 60. See, 46 is not there, 48 is there and 42 is there, but 48 is the bigger number, so we can't subtract 48 into 46, so we will take 42. Okay, then see, 6 7s are 42, 6 7s are 42, 6 minus 2 4 and 4 minus 4 0. Okay, then bring down 7. Again see, 47 is not there and 48 is bigger than 47, so we will take 42. Then again 6 7s are 42. Okay, then 7 minus 2 5 and 4 minus 4 0. Now see, quotient, you just write here Q, short form. Okay, quotient 77 and remainder, see, this is called remainder 5. Okay, understood students? Now next example we will see. See, the next example is 825 divided by 8. 825 divided by 8. Okay, then see here, say table of 8. See, the divisor is 8 and dividend 825. The first digit is 8. So it is possible, 8 ones are 8. So we will take one digit only. 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8 0. Then bring down 2. But see here students, 2 is there in table of 8? No, because 8 is the bigger number. So what we will do here, 8 के टेबल में 2 आएगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि 8 is the bigger number and 2 is the smaller number. So here students, what we will do here, we will take 0. Okay, first we will write here 0 and here also 0. Okay, then 2 minus 0 2. So here also you just write 0. We will take 0. Okay, 2 minus 0 2. Then bring down 5. Okay, now 25. Now see, 25 is there in table of 8. You just write here table of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. Now see, 32 is the bigger number, so we will take 24. Okay, 32 is the bigger, so we can't subtract 32 into 25, so we will take 24. So 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Now see, 5 minus 4 1 and 2 minus 2 0. Then see, quotient see, 103 is the quotient, and see, remainder 1. Okay, understood students? Now one more example we will see. Last one, see, 728 multiple by 4. See here students, 728 divided by 4. Okay, then see, 4 is the divider and 728 is the dividend. So first you just see the first number 7. See, 7 is the bigger compared to this divisor, so we will take one digit only. See, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, but 4 2s are 8 is not possible to so we will take 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 is the bigger and we can't subtract 8 into 7. So 4 1s are 4. Okay, 7 minus 4. See, 7 minus 4 3. Okay, then bring down 2. Okay, 32. See, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 2. Okay, then see 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0. Now brings down 8. Okay, then see 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. See 8 minus 8 0. Then see quotient is right here, quotient is 182 and remainder is 0. Okay, understood students? Now you just solve these examples. See here, you just solve these four examples, 3 digit, and these 4 examples are very easy. Okay, this and this full worksheet you just solve this, and afterwards next period we will practice this 3 digit division. Okay, bye.